Hi guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this rich and creamy Afghani chicken, the same one that we eat in restaurants. So let's quickly get it started. Here I have taken some chaat masala, grounded pepper, ginger garlic paste, quarter cup of fresh cream, quarter cup of yogurt, handful of coriander leaves, one small onion, 4 to 5 chilies, a kilo of chicken, lime juice. I have used 2 lemons, cashew nuts, kasuri methi, that is roasted kasuri methi, and garam masala, and of course you need butter and oil and salt to taste. So first we'll begin with the marination. So for that, in a blending jar हम cashew ऐड कर देंगे, उसी में हम ऐड कर देंगे onion and green chilies and coriander leaves, और इसको थोड़े से पानी के साथ हम ब्लेंड कर लेंगे until it's smooth. Now we'll add this to the chicken, fresh cream, उसी के साथ yogurt, ginger garlic paste, roasted kasuri methi. I've not crushed it. If you want, you can. Garam masala 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1.5 teaspoon, grounded pepper 1 teaspoon, and lemon juice. I've used 2 lemons here, and salt to taste. Now we'll marinate this अच्छे से मिक्स करके. We'll keep this for about half an hour. After half an hour, I've taken a pan here. To that I've added some oil. We'll add 2 teaspoons of butter. अच्छे से मिला लेंगे और उसी में हम चिकन डाल देंगे. We'll cook the chicken for about 3 minutes over high heat. अच्छे से इसको कुक कर लेंगे. उसके बाद we'll cover this and cook it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes हम ढक्कन निकालेंगे और देखेंगे the chicken has released its water, और फिर अब हम इसको सुखा लेंगे. देखिए अब सूख गया है. तो चिकन इज कुक्ड 60 to 70%. अब हम चिकन को निकाल लेंगे. और उसी पैन में हम जो लेफ्ट ओवर मैरिनेशन था वो डाल देंगे. गिव इट अ गुड मिक्स. इसमें हम थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे, हाफ अ कप, और इसी में हम थोड़ा सा बटर भी डालेंगे. अच्छे से मिला लेंगे and we'll add the chicken pieces. Give it a good mix. अब हम चिकन को फिर से पकाएंगे for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks like. It's yummy, it's delicious, and it smells so good, guys. और अब हम इसको एक प्लेटर में निकाल लेंगे and we'll garnish with some green chilies. And guys, this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, thank you so much for watching.